Well, it's gonna be an interesting stream today. Let's see if it's loading in. Stream. Uh, okay, hello everybody. We went to Subway today. Get the new Footlong snacks. Overall, the cookie was $5, kind of pricey. Pretzel $3. Churro is $2, and it was a $1 tax. So, for these three things, I have paid $11. So, let's unpack it, guys. So, floor. I'll pick it up later. Okay. So, wow, it got really greasy. Wow. I assumed it's the pretzel butter that made it so greasy, but man. So, let's see. It is the footlong cookie. Whoa, check out the footlong. No, it looks pretty decent. I mean, okay. And then I think, oh, this is the pretzel. It looks a bit dry. I thought we put butter on it. Oh no, I need to clean off. It's not that much pretzel salt, as you can see. You know what? It looks like one of those IKEA like snake draw like decor things like 10 years ago. It's okay color. I don't think honestly it's not the greatest. Let's put it off with a piece of paper. And this is the Subway Churro. Oh, it has a. I was worried it was not gonna have a lot of cinnamon salt or cinnamon sugar. It's like decent. I'll just hold it up to the camera. It's pretty crystallized. I'm gonna need to wipe down my desk after this, but unfortunately they had to like bake it in the Subway thing, so it might not be as good as like a traditional churro you get at you know like Mexican places. It's not fried either, so I'm worried about it. So okay, should have got napkins. I think we'll start with the pretzel. They did not have the cheese sauce. I asked. The dude was like, "No, we don't have the cheese sauce." And I didn't want to get with mustard. It's let's see. Let's break it off. Okay. This is what it looks like in the inside. Standard pretzel, I think. It just looks like Subway fake bread. Okay, let's have a little taste. It's a little dry. It You do have to get like the dipping sauces. Let's try it with some mustard. I have mustard on the side, so much better. You're gonna need like sauces with this. It needs sauces. It's not buttery. I thought it'd be like like how Auntie Anne's and like Wetzel pretzels. It has like a buttery finish. It's like really dry. Like I can confuse this to wood if it wasn't like it's a little hard. It is still warm, which is the weird part. Just it's not really doing it for me. I don't know. It tastes like It's definitely like made by Subway, you know, how Subway bread just has that unique taste of sort of bread, not quite bread, but how much was the pretzel again? It was $3. I don't think it was worth it, to be honest. Like, I wouldn't get the pretzel. Okay, next we're gonna try the cookie. I wish I have a spoon, but just gonna eat it with the hand. Let's see if I can like lift it out. It was a raw cookie dough and they had to put it in like the little toaster oven. Oh, it's really gooey and soft. Like look at it. It is a soft cookie. Its chocolate chunks are very gooey. It has really high fat content. I think that's where all the like the butter went. Put a little less butter on the cookie, put it on the pretzel, and the pretzel will probably be good. I mean, have you had like a Subway cookie? It basically tastes like any other Subway cookie. This footlong cookie is $5, and like I think like two cookies is like $1.50, and this could equate like this could equate to like I want to say like 8 cookies, maybe 10. So Subway cookies are always like pretty decent. I wouldn't pay $5 for it. I think this is kind of a marketing scheme. Well, I just did it for you guys. Need some milk. I have some milk here. I mean, $5, it might be worth it to you. It does come with this container, so I don't know, it's less mess, but the container is like not really worth it. Is it even a foot long? I mean, the pretzel is like this much. Let me get my ruler. Let me get my phone. Where's the measurement app? Okay, they are a foot long. They are a foot long. They're just like they're pencil dick size, you know? El churro, very pencily. It's pretty good girth on the pretzel. Cookie thickest. Okay, let's try the churro. Getting you a close up. Okay. Ugh. This churro is so dry. It's like hard. It's not like like a churro is just like I don't know crisp or something. It like breaks off. This one kind of struggled to like break off. It's not that good. I mean, what can you expect? Subway, like a white American franchise. I don't think you go for the churros, but I did this for you guys. And like, I get like a hint of cinnamon, but like, it's not. It doesn't have a strong cinnamon flavor, or it's not even that sweet. And I did like cleanse my palate of the cookie, but the churro is honestly the cheapest thing, but I feel like it's the greatest mistake. Just say. Oh, ow! It's really hard. And it's still warm. Like, I don't. This churro sucks. Ugh. Oh, if I had a tier list like Cookie Bass, I mean, how can you screw it up? It's a Subway cookie. Pretzels mid. I mean, if you have mustard and like, if they sold the cheese sauce, I don't know. I went to a different Subway. They still didn't have the cheese sauce. Like, what's going on, Subway? It's not even pretzels about cheese sauce. I don't know. I think bread's pretty mid. The churro is the worst thing on this thing, but I paid $2 for this churro. Oh, the skinny dick churro that's dry. So I'm gonna eat it. Dude, I bought it. I don't know. If you're gonna like fuck up a churro, I'm just saying, like, you might as well just put some Nutella into this or whatever. Just it needs something to save it, like caramel or anything. Just or like like a condensed milk dipping sauce. It needs a sauce. Wait, I have condensed milk. Hold up. Hold up, chat. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I do have some condensed milk. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it does it so much better. Like it fixes the flavor profile, like the moisture level. It's like freaking Dune up in here. Dune 2. Dry. If you have like condensed milk or like a caramel sauce, even Nutella, like, if you have Nutella, probably not peanut butter, but like, you know what, maybe peanut butter, but man, this churro is so bad, but I need to finish it because this is my dinner. I do think they kind of went light on the cinnamon sugar. It does kind of taste a little bit stale too. I don't know. And just go to churros as freshly fried. Don't go to Subway. Have them like heated up. It's stupid. I'm an idiot for buying this, but I just wanted to review it. The pretzel is not that bad, but it's not like savory or sweet. Like I think I could put this in the condensed milk. Like there is pretzel salt, but it's not that much pretzel salt. So I'm gonna try it with the condensed milk too. Yeah. Just anything saucy would save the pretzel, like, but it's still pretty decent if you like Subway bread. For $10, I think only the cookie is worth it. Everything else kind of mid. So honestly, just get the cookie if you love the Subway cookies. Just saying. Oh damn, it got cold. It's this pretzel's getting really tough. Okay, well, here is the bell. Let's see if I can focus. Man, it is not focusing. I'll just take a picture of your receipt and just post it. But yeah, that's our food review today. Or this week. So not too bad. Let's have all this cookie left. And then I wiped down my desk. Well, thank you for watching. Go ahead and follow, subscribe, whatever.